What's going on there, guys? You've probably seen I'm doing videos on how to repair speedos for Corsa Ds. These videos work from like the pre-facelift, the VXRs to the facelift ones. Now, this is an old dashboard which I got sent me, and someone said they tried the SMD conversion, but it didn't light up in this certain area. So I've undone the board, and you can see these are missing. But anyway, I've ordered them LEDs to be repaired. But today we're gonna change these around. These around here. These are PLC2 ones, I think. I think they are. PLCC, 2. PLCC2, these ones. And the ones down here, which I currently don't have and had to order, are PLCC4 ones. As you can see, it's got 4 contacts there. So, you also probably seen in the last video I did this. The customer was moaning that the clocks wasn't spinning when they started them. Like, it was just stuck when you revved it, the rev counter. So, fix that for them as well. So we're mainly going to be focusing on this LED here. I'm going to walk you through of what I do and how I do it. I'm not responsible for anything if it breaks. But what you're going to do, I like to cover it in flux first. Have a good look. And I've got a box of like coloured LEDs. I don't know if you can see these, like coloured LEDs, green, white, red. The customer wants green. It's been a while. Horrible colour, but yep, that's what the customer has requested. So we do have a pack of green, but we're half missing green as well. That's ideal. Ah, there we go. Green. Rightio. Right. We're back in there, and we're off. I've also got red, pink, purple, every bloody colour smooth using around. Probably hear a noise in the background, that's just my PC. It's water cooled, but the pump's on its way out, so yeah. So what I'd like to do with the LED first is just get it and place it next to it, just to see if it's correct one, and it looks to be correct yet. And place that to the side. Now, I don't know how I'm going to do this with the camera in the way, but yeah, I'll try. What I like to do for might help if the camera didn't fall. So put you there. Let's move the camera up. It's down. Support. There you go. So what I like to do is put my iron on one end, heat it up, and you hear it cracking, and then just lift. That's all you got to do. There you go. Then you can literally get it and snap it off. There's the old LED if you can see that. And what you do with these points now, you just clean them up. You desolder the other bit as well. I mean, I do have a fucking thing somewhere to do that, but sod it. Just clean the points up. Bit more flux. Bit more flux. There we go. Bit more flux. Tell you what, let's zoom you in. So as you can see, it's not the cleanest of bloody things, but yeah. Still ain't the cleanest. Yeah, it will do. Now, what I like to do is place the LED on the board. As you can see, I've offset it a little, so I can get just some solder there. Or what you can do is, I also like to do this, is heat the point up first. It really would help if I got my helping hands. Heat the LED, heat the pad up first, and just slide the LED on. Right. What is wrong with this today? So there we go, heat it up a little, slide it on. Right, for God's sake, this is annoying now. Slide it on, and leave it. Slide it on more. It's not on the other point yet. So desolder. Back on it goes. Hang on, I know their problem. I know their problem better. Come on. Doing this off camera with bloody crap eyes is terrible. So, on the pad up. So now you can probably see I've offset it just a little tiny bit here. That's fine. Because you've still got like a point of contact on the other side. Where is it? Let's try and get this LED into shot. Is it this one? Nope. This one. So you can probably see you've got a bit of point of contact the other side, and that's what you want to try and, well, not try. This is what you're going to do. You're going to get your solder wherever mine has disappeared to. Oh, here it is. So you want to get your solder, put it against, dab it. Oh, smoke go. Had it in shot. There we go. Let's turn my oil off. It is. Sorry, I keep knocking the bloody camera. So, oh my god, this tripod's terrible. So, clean the area with some flux. Nice flux, this doesn't harm the board or anything. And zoom out. It doesn't look the best solder joint, but I tell you what, it does work. So, take you off this tripod. There we go. So, I've done that one. I'm now going to finish all these here. Two for the, what is it? Two for the fuel gauge, yeah. And then there's one there, one there, one there, and one there. But yeah, I've done a lot for this customer on this board so far, but I hope it all works, because I haven't got no testing facilities here to power the board up. But I'm sure I can get a picture of it for you after it's finished. If you follow my Instagram down below, you'll probably see it on there. So yeah, this is the board which we'll be repairing some other stuff with. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.